welcome to our show, The Chili and Pepper Show. I'm Chili.
And I'm Pepper.
So, guys, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna show you our special guest.
And our special guest is a child. Name is
Yanni!
Yay!
Yay!
Yahoo! Yanni's here! Yeah! My favorite cousin! He's turning one on September 29th. She's now 10 months. And if it's her birthday, we can shoot there. Maybe we'll see what will happen on her birthday. If we can.
Yeah, we can't promise. But we're gonna say it. She's looking to something there. But later on, we're gonna tell you something. But wait for a minute, because I'm going somewhere.
Okay, I'm gonna entertain you first. We're gonna sing Whatever Will Be by Melody. Let's wait for Chili. Okay, Sir Yaya. Sir Yaya, Mayangja is waiting for her.
No, later lang.
I mean, no.
Later
No.
lang. Because this is her hand. She's eating this. The cone. Look at her. It's so cute. Kanina, it's so big, but now it's like this now. No, it's just my ate. But she's just Tita. You know,
Jealous! Yeah, jealous.
where I'm just doing that to teach you how to do that. And this is episode what?
Episode 4?
Two?
No, it's episode
3 or 4?
4.
Yeah, 4. 2?
I mean, yeah, episode 2, but everybody.
No, episode 3. 3.
I mean,
Episode 4.